Why should you hire a New Orleans Jones Act attorney? My name's Tim Young. Our office in New Orleans handles maritime and Jones Act cases exclusively on behalf of injured maritime workers. Those are the only types of cases we handle. We focus our practice on that very narrow niche because we really enjoy helping injured offshore workers. We understand what they go through. We understand their family's future is on our hands. Why should you hire an attorney from New Orleans to help you with your Jones Act case? Over the years, New Orleans has always been a big area for maritime law cases. Many of your friends or some of your coworkers offshore may have hired in the past New Orleans maritime lawyers to help them with their cases. In the New Orleans area, particularly in the southeast Louisiana area, there's very many experts who have worked offshore themselves. These include former vessel captains, they include former rig workers. These are the types of experts that you need to come in on your case, review the facts, go into court as an expert on your behalf, and testify on your behalf to win your case. We have access to these experts down here in the New Orleans area. Often we're asked, what about my medical treatment? Well, New Orleans is obviously a very big city. If you're close to New Orleans, you can receive medical treatment in New Orleans. That's often very helpful for your case. The New Orleans federal court system here has very good judges who are very familiar with maritime law. If you go into a state court somewhere in Mississippi or Alabama, they may be wonderful judges there. They may be great state court systems, but they're going to struggle with maritime law if they've never handled that type of case before. So you may end up with a judge who's not real familiar with the law. He doesn't understand the protections that you have. And you may get an attorney who handles 1 or 2 maritime cases a year who's trying to learn the law on your case. When you get with a New Orleans maritime attorney, like an attorney with our office, this is what we do. This is what we're familiar with. We also have judges in this area where your case may be filed who are going to understand your case. They're going to know the law. They're not going to be learning your case as they go forward. There's medical providers in this area who are very specialized experts. In fact, we have medical doctors that we recommend to our clients. One of them simply does back treatment. Another one simply does shoulder and knee treatment. These are not general orthopedics who handle any type of an orthopedic case. They're very specialized. They're experts in their areas, and that's who we like to have our clients treat with. Call us if you have any questions at all. We can discuss the benefits of hiring a very good New Orleans maritime lawyer to handle your case.